Hello dear students, myself Priyanshu Agarwal, your science educator, and today we will learn a very important topic from class 10th science, which is light, reflection and refraction. So let's start. So reflection is the bouncing back of a light after hitting through a medium. As you can see in this diagram, there is an incident ray which hit a medium, which hit a surface and get reflected. So we have two laws regarding the reflection. So first law is angle of incidence should be equals to angle of reflection. तो बच्चों होता क्या है, एक कोई भी रेखा, एक कोई भी लाइट हमारी सरफेस, रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस पे आके गिरती है, जिसे हम कहते हैं इंसिडेंट रे, और वहीं से ही ये रिफ्लेक्ट होके दूसरे मीडियम में अलग जगह, मतलब उसी सरफेस को हिट करके आगे चले जाती है, जिसे हम रिफ्लेक्टेड रे कहते हैं. एक उसके अंदर परपेंडिकुलर हम ड्रॉ करते हैं जो कि 90 डिग्री नॉर्मल पे होता है. We are calling it angle of incidence should be equal to angle of reflection. Second law हमारे पास क्या है? Incident, reflected and normal lies in the same plane. So what is same plane? That means the medium of all three lines should be same. So this is incident ray, this is normal, and this is reflected ray. All should be lie in the same plane. They are all lying in the same plane. So let's start our another topic. I hope you are enjoying it. So let's start at the next topic, which is refraction. Within a minute we will understand what is reflection and what is refraction, and so let's start. What is refraction? It is bending of light after moving from one medium to another. When a light moves from one medium to another, it will get bent. How it will get bent? We will learn. From moving one medium to another. Now let's understand in brief. For example, we have this surface, this another surface. Okay, so this is water filled, water, and this area and this area is air. Okay, so we all know this. Water is a denser medium, air is a rare medium. So we will call it rare. Again here rare, and it is denser. So here in refraction we are talking about the bending of light when it moves from one medium to another. How it will happen? So let's for example, here we are taking for example, let's say we are taking this light. This light is coming from where? From rare medium. Like from here, rare medium, and then it should go like this. It should go like this now, simple. But no, it will not go like this. It will go like this. It will slightly bend. Now why? Because when light moves from rare to denser, it will slightly bend towards normal. It bends towards normal or away from normal? It bends towards normal. When a light goes from rare to dense, rare to denser medium, it will move towards normal. And when it go from water to air, that means denser to rare medium, it will go away from the normal. So this is the new normal. Okay, you understanding this part? That light should go from like this simply now, like it should go simply like this, but it do not go simply like this, because here the reflection is happening. Refraction happens when two mediums are in the same. We are talking about the two mediums like light and darker medium, light or darker, or we can call it rare and denser medium. So this is the rare medium, this is denser medium, again this is the rare medium. So this is the light which falls through a surface from a rare medium, and it will get refracted, and it will slightly bend towards the normal, and then again it will cut, and again it will get refracted through the surface of water, and it will go like this away from normal. This is the normal. Again this is also normal. So it is not going like this. Like for a real life example, you can take a glass and put any pen or simply like pencil, whatever. So you will put in like that, and you will see that the pencil is straight in like this. But when you put it inside the water, a glass filled with water, you will see a slightly bend in the direction, in the position, in the marker, in the pencil, whatever you are putting inside, it will slightly get tilted. So this is refraction. Why this happens? This happens because of why this refraction happen. I'll teach you this thing also. Why refraction? ये रिफ्लेक्शन होता क्या हो रहा है भाई? एक ही मीडियम के अंदर तो सब हर जगह रिफ्लेक्शन हो रहा है, बट रिफ्लेक्शन क्यों हो रहा है? रिफ्लेक्शन इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि इनकी जो मीडियम है, मीडियम चेंज हो रहा है. मीडियम के अंदर क्या है? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स, जिसे हम म्यू से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. इनका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स चेंज होता है, दैट्स वाई इनका मीडियम चेंज हो जाता है, और इनका लाइट का जो रिफ्लेक्शन पैटर्न है वो भी चेंज हो जाता है. So that's all for the today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, then